represents. So the more you make your time and energy more valuable, the more money that is going to flow into your life. Let's talk about everybody's favorite topic, which is money, right? Now, money, if you live in our society, right, like you can't really deny it. It's important at this point, but a lot of us, we let it weigh on us. We let it become the decision maker in our life of what we do, how we do it, how boldly we act or how unboldly we act. And so a lot of us have this warped, mismanaged relationship with money where we grew up thinking that we need to change ourselves for the sake of making more money. We need to take who we truly are and hide it or change it or distort it and present it in a different way in order to gain validation, which then gains us more money or ways to make more money. That's how a lot of us approach money. We sacrifice authenticity because we think that is a precedent for making more money. Now, I'm here to tell you that's a big fucking lie, and why being yourself is actually the number one thing you can do to effortlessly make more money in your life. Now, money is simply a reflection of value. How valuable have you made your time and energy? That is what money really represents. So the more you make your time and energy more valuable, the more money that is going to flow into your life, the more money you are going to be able to receive and implement and invest and do cool things with. Now, how do you make your time and energy more valuable? Well, fighting yourself and repressing yourself and editing yourself and stressing about how you're presenting yourself and how you're perceived and if you're being judged and all these things does not make your time and energy very valuable. It actually activates your sympathetic nervous system, which activates your thoughts and feelings and fears from the past. So if you are recreating your thoughts and fears from the past in the present moment, do you think you're really using your time and energy very effectively? No, you're not. You're devaluing the value of your time and energy. Now, what if you could just be yourself in this moment? What if you could think freely, act freely, and not worry? Not worry about what's next or how you'll be perceived or what the end result is going to be. What if you could just simply be yourself right here, right now? Now, a lot of us were like, no, we're not allowed to do that. Yes, you are. And actually, you'll be rewarded more for that, because when you are acting here in the present moment as your true self, what do you think happens to the value of your time and energy? It goes up. Why? Because you're no longer fighting yourself. You're no longer stressed and worried, which means your sympathetic nervous system isn't replaying thoughts and fears from the past, which means your parasympathetic nervous system can actually cool you off. You can emotionally regulate yourself, and you can act more powerfully here in the present moment. So by being yourself and acting in the present, you make your time and energy exponentially more valuable, which means you will make more money in the long run. So some food for thought. And if you need to truly rewire your mindset around money and success and worthiness, your deep subconscious mindset, DM me the word brotherhood, and I will send you more information about joining our coaching program, where we will show you scientifically how to step-by-step rewire your mindset, optimize your mind, your body, your spirit, and your business so you can make more money, change more lives, and have more fun. See ya.